si Karate Pilipinas President Chian Ricky Lim, makakasama natin na yon. Wrap up ng uling araw ng 22nd Asian Cadet Juniors and Under 21 Championships. First of all, hindi ko na kailangan ma-introduce sa pakilala pa. Gusto namin magbigay ng inyong final assessment sa naging successful staging nitong Asian Championships. At mukhang na-impress lang ating mga officials from AKF and WKF sa magandang hosting na ito ng Pilipinas para dito sa event.
Well, number one, the purpose of these championships is to show to the karate community here in the Philippines that this is how it's done. So I think we've done that. We were able to reach out. Second thing is to expose our youth karatekas to this kind of high-level championships. So na-reach din natin yon. We may not be able to get a good result. I think we only got 1 silver and 2 bronzes. But again, in the end, it will benefit a lot of karate community in the Philippines. Second, the preparation for our bid for the Karate Youth League World Championships in the Philippines in 2026. I think we were able to nail it. We are in partners with the SM group of companies, and then we went to the SM Mall of Asia Arena to take a look at the venue and the hotels around it. So I think it was well presented, and I think we will be able to get it in 2026. So another thing to prepare, another good exposure for our karatekas in the Philippines, because we need this. We need exposure. We need them to see how it's done.
And of course, nabanggit natin, we only have 1 silver and 2 bronzes from our Philippine karatekas. Your reaction on the performance ng lahat ng mga karatekas, yung mga ilan na kapodium, yung iba nabigo. Pero at least, it's all worth it na ma-experience talaga yung maranasan nila na mag-compete sa Asian Championships and even in the past competition sa Wuhan, China, na Asian Youth Open Championships doon, na meron tayong mga nakakuha ng mga medals doon na Chian.
Well, ngayon kasi, di ba, we have our own senior team, and of course, the senior team is also getting old. So we have to prepare the next generation. So this is part of our preparation for the next generation that would be the replacement of the national team. So ito na yun kailangan talaga sunod-sunod Kailangan hindi lang senior ang intindihin mo. Kailangan dyan yung under 21, yung ating juniors, yung ating cadets, and ang mga PB. So kailangan talaga pagandaan yun. And this is part of our program to make sure that the next generation of karate athletes in the Philippines will be able to see and will be able to watch and will be able to compete in a high-level championships.
So after the Asian Championships host team, ang seniors naman ang susunod na sasabak for the Asian Championships naman for the seniors. Kaano ba ka-prepare ang ating mga seniors naman for this competition naman para at least ma-maintain nila yung magandang performance at medal output ng ating mga youth natin?
Well, yung ating mga seniors athletes, lahat sila nag-ensayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan ngayon. Wala silang hinto sa kaka-ensayo to prepare for the Asian Championships in September in Hangzhou. So we will be sending a team, yes, definitely we will be sending a team. At the same time, tuloy lang ang program na lahat. From the cadets up to the seniors.
Last question for karate lang muna kasi may isa pa akong pabol na question related sa IMAG.
Yeah.
Unahin natin sa karate. Nandun ang mga opisyales ng WKF and AKF to observe and watch itong Asian Championships. Pasado ba yung marka nila sa of course sa preparations up until the competition proper nitong Asian Championships na sabihin natin it's a very successful one?
Well, all I can say, we've been hearing praises, and they were all saying that this is the best hosting of the Asian Championships that ever happened in the history of the Asian Karate Federation. So, masaya ako. I know there's no such thing as a perfect event. We had our shortcomings, but we will learn from that, and we will keep moving forward. That's the most important thing. But at the end of the day, everybody's congratulating us. As you can see, the Vice President of the Asian Karate Federation, this is the first time they were thanking the volunteers, the army, the reservist army that were here. They were taking them personally and shaking hands. I never saw that happen in the previous Asian Championships. This is the first time they did that. That's because they were happy.
And lastly, earlier this week, na-announce na po ng OCA na ito nga, na-cancel na yung IMAG due to financial problems, and you as a chef division dapat for the Team Pilipinas, nahinayang ka ba sa mga nangyari last minute cancellation yan itong IMAG? Sayang ang pinaghirapan ng ating mga Pinoy athletes, pero we'll definitely look forward niya sa iba pa mga competitions like of course the SEA Games. Nasa Thailand din gaganapin.
Well, sa totoo lang, nangihinayang ako because the athletes are very good. Not just karate, but the other sports as well. But unfortunately, they have some issues that cannot be dealt with. So we have to follow what they've decided. Sa amin, sa karate, tuloy lang ang ensayo. So it's not one reason to keep us from slowing down. So we have other championships that we can participate in. So we just continue the training.
And of course, last message na po sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta, sa lahat ng mga sa Karate Pilipinas, and of course, all those involved dito sa Asia Championships, is your time to thank them, all those na nag-contribute sa successful staging natin.
Well, first of all, I would like to thank my fellow members in the Karate Pilipinas for the support and for the participation. I would like to thank the national team, the junior team, the cadet, and the under-21 team for doing their best in these championships. I would like also to thank the volunteers that were here to help out. Also the reservists of the Marines that were here to help out. But of course, I would like to thank to our sponsors. Of course, we have the Philippine Olympic Committee, Philippine Sports Commission, we have the
Senator Bongo,
Senator Bongo,
Pia
Senator Pia Cayetano, Senator Big Zubiri,
Pasig.
We have the Mayor Vico Soto for helping out.
Milo.
Milo, of course, yes.
Tingog Party List.
Tingog Party List, yes, definitely. This Signal was also part of this hosting. So I would like to thank all of them. Without them, this will not be a success. So thank you very much to all those who one way or the other help in this hosting. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
And of course, we look forward to another activity sa Karate Pilipinas at laging kasama ang Sports Corner PH sa bawat mga tagumpay na kinakamit ng ating atleta, especially those who competed in the Paris Olympics. And of course, congratulations again for a job well done sa lahat ng mga involved and of course sa Karate Pilipinas community. Salamat po and God bless you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.